What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, look. We got the shea butter. You feel me? We got the natural shea butter. You know what I'm saying? And no, this can go on your locks, but it don't go on my locks. I'ma just keep it 100. This can go on your locks, but it don't go on my locks. I'ma just keep it 100 with y'all. I could put a coat on my locks right now for y'all if y'all wanted to see those type of results, but I really need a detox, so I really been prolonging the detox, getting into the hair review, getting into the hair thing. Of course, my haircut do look like it's probably about a week old. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. I just got this haircut about what, man, 4 days ago?